In this episode, we'll be creating minimalist collages using mixed media. We'll start by taping off some rectangles with some low-tack masking tape. Next, we'll pick some of our favorite colors of acrylic paint and roll them on with our brayer. I used contrasting colors and created a horizon line. Using the brayer gives a really cool effect as you roll it on. Simple elements like this can create a really bold impact. Next, we'll look for some interesting images to use in our collage.
How strange it is to think we've all evolved. Just a burst of ordinary life. How do you tear a parrot from the egg? The hurricane came without a sound. Now carved upon a single piece of rice. Just a burst of ordinary life. Don't go, please stay. Come out with a burst of ordinary life. The Count of Monte Cristo never tried. Could ever say he never cried. Capone never forgot the time of day. Just a burst of ordinary life. Whoa, whoa. Don't go, please stay. Come out with us.
Lastly, we'll add some drop shadows and reflections in the water.
Checking the score of the Giants game. Hold on.
Thank you again for watching.